आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं सेकेंड लर्निंग आउटकम, अप्लाई द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन स्ट्रिंग एंड राइट द प्रोग्राम। तो इसको अप्लाई करके देख लेते हैं कि इसके थ्रू अगर हम प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे तो वो कैसे प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे और कैसे उसकी आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस होगी। सो दिस इज अ प्रोग्राम टू डेमोस्ट्रेट डॉक स्ट्रिंग। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द प्रोग्राम टू डेमोस्ट्रेट a doc string. I have defined a function f, and function f is having a message. This is first docstring program and it will print Adobe solutions. ये बात समझ में आ गई? This is our first statement. There is no second statement as I told you earlier, and you can see that the second statement, yeah, you can say third statement, it will print Adobe solutions. This is the description, and you can add anything as a description. It depends upon you. Are you getting my point or not? So in case of how the execution of this program will take place, you will press F5 and you will see the following output. What will be the output? The interpreter will goes through the given definition of the function. The first print will be printed and the message is Adobe solutions. The message will be printed as Adobe solutions. Thereafter, the control of interpreter goes to print statement, the second print statement. When the control of the interpreter goes to second print statement, then the control is transferred back to the definition of the function. Why? Because this is the f is a function and we are referring the document, you can say attribute of the function, with the help of underscore doc underscore. Is it clear to everybody? Now, when the control goes back to the function definition, it will print this is first doc program. क्या print होगा? This is first doc string program. And because there is a period after program, so period will also be printed. Thereafter, in the next line, it will print Adobe solutions. Another message, yeah, another statement, or you can say description part will be displayed, yeah, printed. It will print Adobe solutions, and you can see that there is an exclamation after Adobe solutions. So this is the way how a docstring program is executed by Python interpreter. Is it clear to everybody? I'm very much sure this concept is clear to everybody. Okay, how to write a program using docstring and how the output will be produced by Python interpreter. So dear student, in this way, we have achieved our second learning outcome. Now you are able to apply the concept of documentation string and write the programs. It is just like a comment, but their syntax is different than that of documentation string. The comments are not read by the compiler, or you can say Python interpreter, while documentation strings are read by the Python interpreter, and their execution they last till the end.